morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook food from home, taking care of your body. You know, COVID-19. You have to eat home cook. Like I'm gonna cooking egg with sea salt. Okay, I'm show you how to cook good food, guys. Sea salt. This is egg. I'm gonna go ahead add on one more. One more. 7 eggs for 2 people right here. Okay. So 7 eggs in there. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cook good food for take care of yourself, you know, with COVID-19 rough time like this. This is take care of your body. First, I'm gonna have chopped garlic. Second, I have tomato, cilantro, and spring onion. Okay, with sea salt right here. Sea salt, just you wanna get some spice in there, so sea salt, okay? And of course, you're gonna eat with rice. I'm gonna steam rice right now, right there, about to cooking. Okay, that's a good food. Eat at home, cook at home. Rough time like this, COVID-19, you need to eat good food. Just cook on your own because you can't trust nobody. You know, I see on TV and the video, Facebook, all kind of way. People open the food and put the hand and finger and spit on there, everything. You don't trust to go out, buy food, processed food. You need to cut and cook and prep. Eat at home like this. Healthy, take care of yourself for tough time. What we have right now, okay guys? So easy. I get 7 eggs for 2 people. If you eat a lot, you can eat all by yourself like that. But don't forget chopped garlic, cilantro, tomato, and sorry, most important thing, sea salt. You want some spice because spice, hot pepper, cherry pepper, a lot of vitamin C, a lot everything for you. If you eat that hot, spicy like that, they protect your immune system. If you don't have it, you can use any kind of salt, but this salt is a fresh hot pepper from I make. Okay, all right, let's go start it. Okay, my ingredient gonna be chicken broth powder right here, chicken broth powder. That's my ingredient. Just get 1 spoon in there, make a good taste. Then gonna have fish sauce. I'm using this kind, 3 crab fish sauce. You can use any kind, but this is more flavor. Of course, they're good and a little bit spice expensive. So I put 1 spoon. I will take 1 spoon and have 2 spoons because I put the vegetable in there and just mix like this. And of course, my hot sauce just drop in about. Yep, that's it. Okay guys, I add on more dill, cilantro, and spring onion and tomato. The dill is the best in the egg. When you cook scrambled egg, put the dill on that. Okay, if you have it, I have. That's why I put on. I have that dill. So I'm gonna start cooking using avocado oil. You can use any kind of oil because I have this oil, so I use it. Let's finish it up. Almost finished. I've been using this a lot. You know, go ahead, put all of them. Yeah. Finish it up. Okay, 1 minute passed. Now the oil is hot now. Go ahead, put garlic in there. That's why I always say cooking food is like a medicine. When you cook good food like this, you're gonna stay strong and don't get sick like that. Don't eat the processed food, guys, please, because this is a healthy food. Don't cook no time. I mean cook with no time. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead, put the egg in here. The garlic golden brown right now. Go ahead, put egg in there. Simple, very easy, very easy. When I put egg in there, now I'm gonna go ahead to line up tomato, just like that. So easy and good food. Cook with sea salt. The most important thing, dill, guys, dill. Look at this. And spring onion, cilantro, go ahead, put it on all the vegetable. When you eat this, it's refreshing and then helping you, feeling good, stay strong, okay? Go ahead, put it on. Just let it cook and later on I flip over. Okay, right now, it's good right now. Go ahead, just move them like that, very gentle. I don't want my egg, like scrambled egg too much, just like that. Gentle, just like that. See that looking good, right? Only couple minutes, be done. Look at this perfect egg, guys. So good. You can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. How you want to eat it? You know, for me, I eat anytime. I can eat dinner and lunch. Because good food like this, it don't have to be breakfast, nothing. If you can make breakfast, even better. Go ahead, try to cook at home, guys. Very easy, simple recipe. I love to share with you. I hope you like it, okay? I hope you love this video. But I always want to share good food with you, all my friends out there. Just like that, done, guys. So easy. Don't cook too long, because if you cook egg too long, let it dry out. So let them stay moist. Just like that, and serve with rice, or you can serve with sandwich, with bread if you want to. But I don't like bread, because I feel eat bread, I feel like I'm gonna gain some weight, so I don't want to eat. Bread. So you can eat with rice or eat with egg, how you want it. Eat how you want it, okay? The important thing, how you cook egg this way. Okay, guys. Right, let's serve with rice. Okay, guys, let's serve with rice, just like that. Very easy and simple and good food. Okay, there you have it, guys. Look at this. Yum, right? Oh my God. Cooking rice, egg, healthy, yummy, and stay strong. Okay, guys, go ahead, try to do it. I hope you like it, because I'm trying to share good everything I really cook so good. I want to share with all you. I hope you love it. Please thumbs up, subscribe for me, and make me cook more and more. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay.